Potholes everywhere, traffic everywhere, but still people are celebrating the MH12. As we have seen every year, the higher authority promises about the road safety as well as no pothole situation. Today, everyone is talking about how the MH12 vehicle registration code has been saved, that Pune's identity has been protected. But the real question comes, will saving MH12 remove the potholes? Will it reduce the traffic jams? Will it make people's daily travel easier or not? Every year before the monsoon, we hear the same promises. We are told that roads have been repaired, potholes have been filled, and the traffic planning is ready. But as soon as the rain starts or rain arrives, the truth comes out as the ground reality tells a different story. Roads break again, huge potholes appears across the city, traffic moves at a snail pace. People spend hours stuck on the roads, two-wheelers skid, and even cars get damaged. This is not a new problem, it happens every year. Yet, every year the same promises are repeated. Punekars are tired of hearing that everything is under control. They don't want speeches, they want results. They want roads that last more than one monsoon. They want traffic signals that actually work. They want proper planning instead of temporary fixes. As we have seen when the arrival of Union Minister Amit Shah, we have been seen that the roads were repaired. Even we have seen like people leave home early but still reaches the offices and school late. What has made many citizens question system is what happened during Union Home Minister Amit Shah visit. Before the visit, PMC carried out road repairs on the VIP route at the several other locations across the city. That led one obvious question for citizens about opposition leaders. If roads can be repaired so quickly for VIP movement, why can't the same urgency be shown throughout the year for the people of Punekars? The problem is not new. During the visit of Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, we have been seeing that where the roads were clear, but the traffic in the entire sketch, like you could talk about the Swargate, City Pride area, and especially in the Pate areas, we have seen a huge number of people were struggling with the traffic. As many people were saying, if VIP person is coming, the normal citizens and the normal middle class people are struggling in the entire traffic. The problem is not new. Every monsoon authority promises pothole-free roads, better planning and smoother traffic. Every monsoon, the first rain exposes the same weak roads and the same traffic chaos. The cycle repeats while citizens continue to suffer. Even Punekar are no longer waiting for the temporary results, even they are waiting for the final. We know MH12 is the identity of Pune, but will really MH12 save the potholes, save the traffic or not? That is also a bigger question, because we have seen every year as soon as rain starts, like many Punekars says, we pay taxes to make the roads cleaner and we can drive on the roads safer and reach to the destination point. But the vice versa, you could say the cart flips. As soon as the rain starts, the road shows the reality and the people stuck more 1 to 2 hours more than that in the huge traffic, especially in the busiest roads, like you could talk about the Pate roads and the city road. But will really MH12 will be saving from the potholes as well as the traffic? That is also a biggest question. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.